Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are create cinematic color depth using color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and begin by examining how colors are distributed across highlights, midtones, and shadows. Cinematic color depth is about separation and dimension rather than intensity. Add a color lookup adjustment layer from the Adjustments panel and preview LUTs that introduce subtle tonal layering. Choose one that enhances depth without flattening details. Lower the opacity so the effect blends naturally with the original image. Next, add a curves adjustment layer and gently adjust contrast to increase separation between light and dark areas. To refine the